To find the Data Analysis ToolPak, you need to go to the Data tab, and then it should appear over here on the right. And if it doesn't, that means you need to install it. And so one way to install it is to click the Developer tab here, and then Excel Add-ins, and then make sure that where it says Analysis ToolPak, that you have that checked. If you can't find your Developer tab, that means you need to change your preferences so that it shows up. So if you click the ribbon and toolbar, down here there'll be a checkbox for the Developer tab. And then once you have the Data Analysis ToolPak installed, if you click on it, it'll bring up this dialog box where you've got all these analysis tools that you can use.